So let's have a look at how to play Lowdown in the Street by ZZ Top. We're in open C tuning, so that is C, G, C, G, C, E. I think it's best known for Soundgarden songs, things like that. So the intro. Really straightforward, we're just doing pull-offs at the 3rd fret on the 2nd and 3rd string, open on the 5th string, and then just a bend and a pull-off at the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Then we have that quite iconic chord. So we've got the 4th string open, and we've got here working from the 3rd string down to the 1st string. We're at the 5th fret, 7th fret and 6th fret. And then these two here, the 1st and 2nd string, we just move those, keep them in the same position relative to each other, and move them down towards the nut. And we keep that on the 5th fret. So this is basically a D shape if you're in standard tuning. Down here, same thing. So we have and then there's a little pickup before we go into the verse. Just a little bend, 2nd string, 3rd fret. So this is the verse. We're hybrid picking, true Billy Gibbons style. Open, pluck the open 4th string with the plectrum, and the 1st string at the 3rd fret with one of your 3 fingers at the same time. So it's like a claw motion. Then we're doing a pull off at the 1st fret, 1st string. Open strings on the 4th and 2nd string. Bend, 3rd fret, 4th string. Double stop, 2nd and 3rd strings together. And we're just kind of staying with these 2 strings here. 5th fret, 3rd fret. And then the verse pattern ends with that chord. So open 4th string, we're fretting at the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 2nd string and fretting at the 1st fret on the 1st string. And that's that thing again. And then for the chorus, this is pretty straightforward, it's just single notes. So again, it's just bends at the 3rd fret here, going up to the 5th fret. And then same idea, we just go up to the 7th fret for the 2nd half of the chorus. And that's really it. You can figure out pretty much the whole song from those parts. Just a final tip, you might have noticed throughout the whole song, this low C note never gets used. And open C is kind of an odd tuning. You wouldn't often have cause to use it. So you might find it simpler to do this in open G or open A with a capo to take it to C. And you'll find that the fingerings are basically the same. Everything just moves up towards you. but the patterns are essentially the same. Might find it a bit easier. That's it. Thank you for watching.